We're giving away this gorgeous vintage journal bundle, and trust me, you're going to want to watch this. Make sure you watch till the end. We will show you everything included and how to win. These aesthetic papers are amazing for backgrounds and collages. Different sizes designed to help you layer, create, and bring your ideas to life. Every piece complements the next, making layering effortless. Creating aesthetic pages has never felt this simple. So many beautiful options to choose from. How gorgeous are these vintage coaster designs? Intricate patterns that bring depth and interest to your journal spreads. 3 mini tear-off notepads. A mini journal to fill with all your creations. 2 washi tape rolls, perfect for layering, borders, and delicate finishing touches. Various tags inside. And this tweezer to make placing your stickers a breeze. Eight sticker sheets packed with details and variety. A collection of washi tape stickers in a variety of vintage-inspired designs. Alright, here's how you can win this bundle. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Like this video. Comment the word vintage below. And tell us your favorite item in this bundle. Open to South African residents only. Competition closes on the 23rd. The winner will be announced on the 24th. Enter now.